This YouTube channel is making over $8,000 a month, and the crazy thing is, they're doing it without showing their face. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to set up a faceless YouTube channel from scratch, using only AI tools. That's right, everything from writing scripts to voiceovers and even images and videos will be made by AI. But before we get started, let's look at something interesting. This channel has gotten millions of views by making short stories. Just look at these videos: 9 million views, 6.4 million views, and 5.2 million views. This channel is making $8,800 a month. You might be asking, is it too late to start a YouTube channel like this? Not at all. Here's why. Take a look at this new channel. It's only been around for 3 months, but it already has over 10,000 subscribers. And this video was posted just a month ago and already has over 486,000 views. So without further ado, let's get to it. Now, this first step is potentially the most important and critical step in creating a successful faceless YouTube channel, and that is picking the correct niche. So I'm going to head over to ChatGPT and ask it to give me the 20 viral niches for YouTube channels, and now I can pick from one of these 20 niches it gave me to create my channel around. Creating new YouTube channel. Second step is to set up a brand new YouTube channel. Begin by visiting youtube.com and signing into your Google account. Once logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. If you haven't created a channel previously, you'll find the option to create a channel at this point. Now, let's move on to the exciting part, brainstorming a channel name. To generate innovative ideas, we'll enlist the help of ChatGPT. We will ask ChatGPT to give me 20 unique and catchy names for our motivational YouTube channel. As you can see, it has generated a list of 20 possible names. I'm particularly fond of Rise Revolution. At this point, we can also choose our YouTube channel handle. You have the option to upload your profile picture now, or you can do it later when we further customize the channel. After this, click on Create Channel. Our YouTube channel is now live. Here's what it looks like. Our next step is to customize our channel. You can either click on Customize Channel here, or go to your profile picture, navigate to YouTube Studio, and you'll find the customization option on the side. Next, let's go to the branding section. This is where you can upload or modify your profile picture and even add your banner image. Helpful details and requirements for various image sizes are also provided here for your convenience. To design our profile picture, we'll be using Canva. Let's go to Canva.com and in the search bar, type in YouTube logo and hit enter. You'll find a bunch of YouTube logo templates here. Feel free to browse through them and see if any fit your needs. Okay, initially I chose this one. It's simple and clean. For reference, our competitor's profile picture is just plain text on a black background. So to stand out a bit more, I'm going to change the element's color. Next, I'll add our channel name to the canvas. After that, I'll make a few adjustments to the placement and size of the elements for a balanced and visually appealing design. Once you're satisfied with your profile picture, click on Share and then Download. Next, we need a script for our motivational story video. To generate this, we'll be turning to ChatGPT once again. Here, I'll use a prompt requesting short story ideas with Zen teachings as their core themes. These stories should be applicable to our daily lives. As you can see, ChatGPT responds by providing a range of story ideas. Look at this one. I find this story idea intriguing, and it provides a good starting point for us. Now, with this idea in mind, we can ask ChatGPT to write a short story based on it. Once ChatGPT completes the story, all we need to do is copy it. Now that we have our script, it's time to bring it to life with a voiceover. For this, we're going to use 11 Labs, which just so happens to be free. First things first, type 11 Labs into your Google search bar. Go to the first page that pops up here. If you're new to this, just follow the sign-up process. If you've already registered, click on the Login button and then come to the Speech Synthesis tab, and here is where the magic happens. From here, you can choose your voice. I'm going to go with the pre-made Adam. I think this one sounds pretty good, but you can choose the one you want and you can change the voice settings. Now hit the Generate button and let the magic happen. Once you're happy with the voiceover, download the audio file for use in your motivational video. Next, we need to generate some images to serve as visuals for our motivational story. For this, we'll use Leonardo.AI, a free-to-use text-to-image generator. If you're new to Leonardo, you can follow easy-to-do sign-up process. If you've already registered, you'll be greeted by the Leonardo interface like this. In the upper left corner, you'll see something called tokens. These tokens are used to generate your images. In the free tier, users get 150 tokens per day, which should be more than sufficient for our purposes. To create an image, click AI Image Generation. Write a detailed description of how you want your image to look. You can use ChatGPT to write this description. Here's the prompt I typically use. After ChatGPT provides a description, copy and paste it here. You can specify the number of images and their dimensions that you want Leonardo to generate. Then click Generate. You can enhance the resolution of your image by using the upscaling feature right here. Once your images are prepared and you're satisfied with the results, simply click on Download Image. With our visuals in hand, we can now move on to creating the video. For this, we'll use Capcut, a free and user-friendly video editor. Once you open the software, click on Create New Video. Begin by importing the visuals along with the voiceover. Now it's time to assemble our video. Drag and drop the voiceover into the timeline, followed by our images. To add a dynamic element to your video, you can animate your images using the tools provided right here. For increasing viewer engagement, we will add captions to the video. Go to the Captions section, choose the Auto Captions option, and click Create. This process might take a few minutes, depending on the length of your video. Once the auto captions are generated, you can edit them as needed. You can change the text, font size, and color of the captions. Selecting the right background music can enhance your video and take it to greater heights. YouTube Audio Library proves to be an excellent resource for discovering copyright-free music to complement your videos. But I will use Pixabay royalty-free music. In the search bar at the top of the page, type in motivational background music. This will filter the results to display only royalty-free music tracks suitable for motivational videos. Once you've chosen the background music that fits your video, click on the download button located next to the track. After completing the download, return to Capcut. Similar to how we handled the voiceover, import your chosen soundtrack and drop it into the timeline. Modify the soundtrack's volume by selecting it in the timeline and using the volume control. Now, it's time to save it. Select Export located in the upper right corner, assign a name to your file, choose the preferred resolution, and then click Export again. Now that our video is ready, it's time to upload it to YouTube. Start by going to YouTube Studio, click Upload Videos, and then click Select Files. A catchy title and a compelling video description are crucial. For these, we can once again turn to ChatGPT. Ask it to generate 10 intriguing titles that will grab your audience's attention. Let's go with this one. Next, ask ChatGPT to craft a compelling video description. After it's done, simply copy the title and video description. Then return to YouTube Studio and paste them into the respective fields. We've made significant progress, but we still need to create a key component, the thumbnail. First, let's use ChatGPT to write a prompt for generating an image in Leonardo.AI and an engaging title for the thumbnail. Once the prompt is complete, go to Leonardo, paste it there, and generate our image. The image is done. Next, we head to Canva.com and search for YouTube thumbnail. Then click Create Blank. Now look for the Uploads tab on the left side of your screen. Click on it, hit Upload Files, and import the image created with Leonardo. Simply drag and drop it onto the canvas. Now it's time to add the thumbnail title. Go to the Text tab and click on Add a Text Box and go back to ChatGPT. Copy the preferred thumbnail title and paste it onto your thumbnail. Feel free to adjust the font style, size, and color to complement your video. Once the thumbnail is ready, it's time to save it. Click on the Share button and select Download to save it onto your device. We then head back to YouTube Studio and upload the thumbnail. Click Next and select this option. Click Next, click Next. In the Visibility tab, select Public and then click on Publish. Our video is now live. Now let's take a look at the final video. Is truly remarkable. You've acquired all the information necessary to produce faceless YouTube content using AI and capitalize on your channel. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.